Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on POCO F5. For this, you will need to open your Google Play Store. Now on the top, write Firefox. Select it and then pick the install button. When it's ready, click on the open. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as a default browser or skip it by clicking on it now. Sign in to turn on synchronization to synchronize all history and settings between other devices using Firefox browser. I'm gonna also skip it. Here turn on notifications for the browser or select not now to skip it. And from there the browser should be ready. You can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.